Time is the most valuable resource in life, and once it's lost, it can never be recovered. Therefore, use every moment in such a way that you have no regrets until the last day of your life. Time is the invisible artist that constantly shapes our lives. How we influence this artist's work is in our own hands. Time is the silent teacher that teaches us from every experience in life. By applying this learning, we can improve our lives. Time is the invisible bridge that connects the past to the present and the future. Each step of this bridge is a chapter in our lives. Time is the mysterious river that flows relentlessly. By floating in the current of this river, we can move towards achieving our life goals. Time is the priceless gem that comes to us only once in life. By using this gem properly, we can achieve success in every area of life. Time is the invisible seed that gives birth to possibilities in our lives. By planting and nurturing this seed properly, we can achieve success in every area of life. Time is the invisible power that can change our lives. By using this power properly, we can make our lives more beautiful and meaningful. Time is the invisible test that determines the value of our lives. By passing this test, we can improve our lives. Time is the invisible blessing that brings joy and happiness to our lives. By receiving this blessing properly, we can make our lives more joyful. Time is the invisible mirror that reflects our lives. By seeing the reflection of our lives in this mirror, we can improve our lives. Time is the invisible path that helps us achieve our life goals. By walking this path properly, we can achieve our life goals. Time is the invisible friend that accompanies us in the ups and downs of life. By walking properly with this friend, we can make our lives happier. Time is the invisible guardian that protects our lives. By being grateful to this guardian, we can make our lives safer. Time is the invisible judge that evaluates every action of our lives. By presenting our lives properly before this judge, we can make our lives more successful.